Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Simplified, and in this series we are going to start on the AI and ML. So basically in this series we'll see all the important things about the AI and what is happening in the current world and all the recent trends about the AI and the ML industry. So let's start with this one, and today we'll see about the overview of the OpenAI. Right, so you might have heard a lot about the OpenAI recently in recent years, and definitely OpenAI is doing a lot of hard work, lot of innovation work here. So basically OpenAI is a company which was founded in 2015, and from 2015 to till date in 9 years they have done a lot of hard work, lot of innovative works. So if you see like their top-notch product, which is ChatGPT, right? You might have heard ChatGPT a lot. So ChatGPT can do lot of things, lot of new innovative AI things that it is capable of doing that. So we'll also see like what ChatGPT is and what it can do. Then they are also doing some awesome work, like they launched the GPT-4o recently. And guys, again, like I'm currently making the video in 2024 June, so definitely they are going to launch new and new models soon, right? So basically if you see currently, recently they launched the GPT-4o model, which is really awesome, and it can work efficiently on the text, images, video and the audio. They also launched the Sora, which can create the videos. So this is also really awesome, right? So basically OpenAI, if you see, OpenAI is an AI company, we can say, and it is doing a lot of innovative work. So, and their one of the top-notch product is the ChatGPT, right? So this is the UI of the ChatGPT that they have given, and where we can do all this stuff. But let's see like what ChatGPT can do, right? So basically it basically includes what OpenAI can do, right? So if you see, and first of all we are just talking like what OpenAI is capable of doing, so that you can also see and then you can think about your use case, that what I'm going to do and if it is capable of doing via the OpenAI or the ChatGPT APIs or not, right? So once you understand that, then we can go in the next sessions at how we can create the APIs of the OpenAI, or how we can even include the ChatGPT models via the Azure OpenAI or the OpenAI, right? So first of all, let's see about the ChatGPT, what it can do. So you see like they have given a couple of cool examples, like let's say if you want to generate any articles or any text, or if you have any questions, then you can just ask it here. So like in case it you see here, like we are just asking, can you edit my email to be more friendly but still professional? So yes, it can do that. If you just provide you the email, it will summarize that, it will effectively modify that according to your needs. So that thing ChatGPT can do, right? Or even like the Azure OpenAI, who have the capabilities of using the ChatGPT models, so even that can also do these things, right? So that we'll also see in our couple of next sessions, that how we can do using the Azure OpenAI. But let's see what all it can do. Also it can summarize the meeting. So let's say we are in a meeting and basically it has all the recordings of all the people. So what it can do, you can just tell them, hey, summarize the meeting, what happens in last 1 hour or last half an hour. So based on all the things which happened, it can summarize the meeting, that okay, this person said this thing, this person said this thing, and these were the main conclusion points, right? So you see how cool it is. Like even if you are not attending the meeting, but you can just go after meeting and you can just see that what was the main conclusions of the meeting. So yes, that it can do. And not only about the meetings, let's say you have one full like big articles, and if you want to just see that, okay, summarize this in 5 points, so that also it can do, right? So for the summarization, it is one of the best models that we can say. Now if you see like here again, it is very helpful in the coding part, right? Like nowadays, people are getting a lot of benefits of the ChatGPT or this model. So let's say if you are not understanding anything in the models, you can just type it here and then it will explain you better, right? Let's say if you are having any problem in the understanding the Java or any DS questions, you can just put it here and it will explain you better, right? Similarly, let's say it can just help you in learning new things. You can just put it here and it will help you in answering that, right? Also now they are also having some new capabilities, right? So now let's say you can just talk to ChatGPT, you can just do a conversation. So how it happens, you ask something, then basically internally it gets the first of all output in the text, and then it automatically converts into the voice form. So that is how also you can convert it, right? Then now you can also like the browse the web also. You can just ask that, okay, something about the web, and it will get you the information from the web. So yes, that is also something we can do via that. Now also, let's say if you have some data, so we can also analyze the data based on using the OpenAI, right? So it is also have the capabilities of doing this. Now in the recent GPT-4o model or the GPT-4o series, 4 series, it has also capability of understanding about the image. So you see here, like I'm just asking here, help me lower my my bike seat, and it will help you, like, okay, it is giving you answer, loosen the clamp, then adjust the height, then secure the seat, right? Or also, let's say if there is some let's say if we have put image of house, then it can easily identify that how many gates are there, how many fans are there, and what are different things it can see in the image. So it can explain about the image, right? So what it is doing, it is interpreting the image, and then it is giving you the information about the image. So ChatGPT can do this, right? And you can have a lot of examples, lot of use cases of doing that. Let's say you are in an industry and you want to see that, okay, whether do you find any abnormalities in this image, and then you can identify of catching any thief or any abnormalities, right? So we can also do using this. Then also, again, it has a lot of things that you can just go here and you can see. Now here it has very good model, like we can even, it has this DALL-E model which you might have heard a lot, and via this we can create the image also. So you can just give that, okay, like here we can giving example, my daughter loves pink jellyfish, can you design a birthday card for her? So you see, like it understand it, okay, your daughter likes pink jellyfish, so it has put jellyfish, and then it is understanding that you have a birthday card, so it is adding the happy birthday, and it is creating the model, right? So basically internally it works on diffusion model and all, and that is how it is able to create the cool images for you. So whenever you want, let's say you can just say that people are playing cricket, right? And then it will create an image of people playing the cricket. So yes, it has this capabilities of doing that, right? So again, like all these things that we can do via the ChatGPT or via the OpenAI things. And for that, this is the UI that we talked about. Whatever you want to ask, you can just type it here, and then it will give you the answers, right? Now here, this is all about the developer thing. Like it has given you all the important parts that a developer needs from starting the work on OpenAI, right? So again, it is giving like what are the different APIs that it is giving. Like it has APIs for the text generation, from the prompt engineering. It also explain what different things are in the prompt engineering. It has APIs for speech to text, text to speech, then how we can generate the image. So you can explore the APIs for that, and we'll see all the things in our upcoming sessions. But because it's just an introduction, so we are just seeing the overall picture of the OpenAI, and then we'll see more and more about the different things on the OpenAI, right? So again, you see here in the vision that how we can do using the GPT-4, or how we can build an assistant. And again, there's a lot of stuffs on the OpenAI documentation, so you can just go through here and you can see all the documentation here, right? So if you see here, like it has all the important things here, like how we can quick start on the OpenAI. It has about the different models, then it has different tutorials that how we can do that. Then again, you can see all the important parts that it has in the developer section, right? So I think guys, for the starting video, this is enough, and we have seen like what OpenAI is, what it has, what it can do, what capabilities it has, right? And then how we can incorporate this all in our code, right? So that we can do via the OpenAIs, and then we'll later see that how we can start working on this developing the OpenAI's things, all the different things that we see via the Azure OpenAI or the OpenAI APIs, right? So thank you guys, and if you like the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.